Ghosts, ghouls, werewolves, oh my, it's finally Halloween, and I'm here to make sure you have a cocktail to fit the season. Bitches Brew is a punch-style cocktail that'll be great for any party. My name is Carl, and welcome to Alchemix, where I'll teach you how to create craft cocktails and improve your home bartending skills. When your friends know you make cocktails, your friends ask you to make cocktails. I get many requests to make drinks for parties, get-togethers, weddings, you name it. This year, a close friend asked me to make a cocktail for his housewarming Halloween party. Because he's pretty awesome, I said of course. The wheels started turning in my brain, and I had to decide what to make. What flavor should I use? How boozy should I make it? But the biggest question was, do I really want to be making drinks the entire time at the party? No, I don't. So I made a punch-style cocktail. Punches are a great party cocktail because they aren't overly boozy and they're easy to serve. I'm making a single serving of this cocktail in the video, but making a bigger batch is just as easy. You can find the entire recipe for the batch in the description and on our website. Then you can stick the whole batch in a pitcher to make it easy to pour. This cocktail has a lot of different flavors going on, but they all work together and make a nice beverage that anyone at your gathering will enjoy. I decided to use bulleit rye whiskey to help give that forward liquor that spice and punch needed to make it stand out. Then I used brandy to add a little sweetness. I also wanted to round out the notes and start bringing those fall flavors into the cocktail, so I sliced up 3 apples, 3 pears, and 3 peaches and stuck them in a mason jar with an entire bottle of Corbel brandy. Then I stuck the jar in the pantry for a month. I also tried replacing my infusion with some apricot brandy, and that was equally delicious. So if you don't have a month to wait, or you really don't feel like making your own infused brandy, that's just fine. Do what works for you. I used blackberries to make the juice base because they create a nice color for a Halloween-themed cocktail. They were on sale at the grocery store, which was a nice bonus. To make the flavor richer and add more fall flavors, I combined the blackberries with cinnamon and ginger. For sweetness, I made a pomegranate simple syrup with malic acid. The malic acid adds a little tartness to the added sugar and rounds out the flavors. Check the description to see the recipe for all the ingredients, including the infused brandy, pomegranate simple, and blackberry juice, as well as the batch recipe. For the garnish, I cut up blackberries to give the cocktail that evil look in the presentation. Lastly, topping the cocktail off with ginger beer provides the drink with the bubbly taste and feel associated with a punch. The ginger also helps bring the cocktail home by bringing everything together. Thanks for watching our recipe, Bitches Brew. We would appreciate a like and subscribe to Alchemix and come back every Tuesday for a new video. You can find more about each recipe on our website, alchemix.bar. The world is your martini glass.